Oh shit. So y'all, guess what came today? Let me move this way. Oh, my face looking ugly. Wait. Alright. Try to cover my address. But my hair diagram, my box is full of riches, just came in today. So I had ordered the remover, the skin protectant, and 2 new glues. I've already went through at least 5. Yeah, I went through 2 of the active. I lied, 6. I went through 4 of the extreme cream and 2 of the active. So this thing is basically lifting just because of the oils, but the tabs are still in place. As you can see, like, it's on my skin. So low key, I'm gonna take it out right now. I'm gonna go finish cleaning up and then I'll be back. Oh, I'm just testing out this camera. It's like, it gets too close up to your face. The 7 was like, I could be right here and it's like a little far off. Now I have to like stretch my arm, which is cute because it could lie and tell you that I'm taking a selfie, but I'm not. Oh, my tongue matched my nail. My nail look cute here. If only it looked like this in real life, baby. So this is my face after a whole day of work. I've been eating crap, so all it is has been popping. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Ciao. So this is what came in today. I received my Bold Hold lace remover and skin protectant and 2 more of the extreme hold, the extreme cream Bold Hold glue. Yeah. So I'm about to take this bad boy out. It's lifting. You can hear it. Oh my god.
Can you not do stuff like that?
Like what? Lift?
Like pull?
That's why I got the lace remover. So I'm gonna spray this bad boy in and see how it works. Cause it's stuck like on the sides, surprisingly. But yeah, it's time to get off. Let go and let God, right? Ooh. This is the Bolt Hold lace remover. In the instructions, it says spray on a paper towel or a similar applicator. Rub on areas and let it sit for 1 to 5 minutes. Gently rub to lather and wipe off completely and repeat again if necessary. So I'm about to do that. Spray it on a little applicator. Cause look. Look. Can't be walking around like around these streets looking like this. Ew. Oh, look at my cap. I put my cap all the way up to here. And then it's stuck right here. So I'm gonna do what it says, what it tells me to do. My eyes dry. All right, you guys. So, welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a minute.
And when I say a minute, it's been a few months.
But yeah. So today I'll be removing this lace here. It has to go. I've been working, sweating, getting oily, face breaking now. Not looking too cute lately. But I'm gonna tell you what I had got in the mail today. So I received my Both Hold products. I wish they made it into a kit. If they had made it to a kit, I think it would help me out better. Because buying things separately, I'm be like, oh my gosh, I need to get this, and then I'm gonna need to get that. But yeah, I wish they had like a whole kit, you know? So I invested in the lace remover and also the skin protector. I went through at least, I'll say like 7 bottles of the Bold Hold Extreme Cream, and I have about 1 of the active and 1 of the glider ones, but I like this one better. So we're gonna be removing this lace. So it says in the instructions that I have to spray on a paper towel or a similar applicator, rub on all the areas with adhesive, and let it sit for 1 to 5 minutes. So I got this cotton, and I'm gonna spray this bad boy I should get my mirror. I'll be back. I'm back. Alright, so I had a small towel hanging and I have my handy dandy mirror. Thank you to one of my clients, Stephanie. She made this for me. She's really creative. I have bought a whole bunch of stuff so she could like make me headbands, bonnets, bags. So when I sell my merchandise, people could get it and feel like, oh my gosh, I'm part of CraftedQueens, and you know, whatever. So we're gonna go back to the game because I don't know how I look like, how it looks, how far I am. Okay, but whatever. So I'm gonna use a towel because it says a paper towel. No, this is a rag for my body. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna go ahead with this cotton and spray the product. Okay. It has no harsh smells to it. Go ahead and press it. So it feels like oil. I should spray it on instead. Okay, I'm gonna just look at my makeup. I'm gonna just grab it and spray it instead. Okay. I look retarded from there. Can you see me? This smells like something. It smells like C22. I think I just don't have patience. I need patience for stuff. Oh, it makes the glue come off easy. It smells like sweat. I look retarded. I say yes because you didn't respond. But look though, it makes the thing come off a little easier. I don't need to put extra work to it. I'll take this off later. I forgot to tell you to get alcohol. That's one thing I do not have.
Next time.
And just rest this away. Hey, this video is an epic fail. Because it's nighttime, I want to take a shower and go to sleep. At least it picks it up. The gel and the spray works. Because it's still stuck on my forehead. I'm just waiting to make a lift. Cause I'm gonna take a shower.